Hello friends, today we will make 3D model from this drawing. Okay, so now has been created this drawing, this model. So now now I will start properly. So please continue this video and complete watch with this video. Okay, so now I will don't save. Okay, so I will create new plane and part and millimeter. Okay, so now I will create on this surface, and first of all I will create this sketch on base. Okay, so base. Now I will create sketch this center. Okay, so now center to you can see here 90 millimeter accordingly to the drawing, and this line 70 millimeter. 70 millimeter you can see here 90 millimeter and 70 millimeter, and also 18 millimeter thickness, 18 millimeter thickness, 18 millimeter thickness, 18 millimeter thickness. Okay, and I will create this object and top surface there. Okay, so now this surface to this surface distance is 120. Okay, so now I will create new plane from this surface and 120 millimeter approximate opposite side, and then okay, and I will create on this surface two round and inner one outer round is 18 millimeter, outer round 18 millimeter. So you can see here 80 millimeter and thickness 55 millimeter. So I will see top, and this sketch should be center line from this object, and length should be 125 millimeter. Okay, accordingly to the drawing, and this surface to center line 120. Sorry, I will wrong pick point, and now this point and this line 120 should be 125, and extrude from this plane bottom side 55 millimeter. Okay, you can check here 55 millimeter, and has been done this model. So middle plane I will show. Okay, from this object middle plane. So now I will create this plane, middle plane, and approximate I will create this sketch and this, and this sketch and this. Okay, approximate has been created, and I will show temporary axis, and this line and this center line I will make collinear. Okay, I will give relation, and this, and also once more I will add relation and this line control press and make equal. Okay, and now I will add dimension. From this line should be 6 millimeter, and this line from this 60 millimeter, 6 millimeter, sorry, and this line should be thickness 12 millimeter. Okay, so you can check here this 60 millimeter offset and 60 millimeter offset and 12 millimeter thickness and 12 millimeter thickness. So now I will extrude command from middle plane. Okay, so now has been I will thickness 18 millimeter. So extrude command has been I will add dimension 80 millimeter thickness, 80 millimeter. Okay, so you can see here, and I will add radius on this surface. Okay, no, I will add radius last command. So now I will add this ring also. Okay, so you can see here this surface too should be 20 millimeter. Okay, 20 millimeter and 12 millimeter radius. Okay, so now sketch here and line this line and this line. Okay, so just I will give you inner side 36 millimeter. Okay, and bottom this line should be 20 millimeter, 24 millimeter. Okay, so you can see here 24 millimeter and corner to this surface, this approximate 0. Okay, so now bottom side I will one more sketch this line and this line and this line. Okay, so I will delete on this relation because has been fixed this relation. So you can see here. Okay, you can see here fully defined has been done. Okay, so now I will extrude command between middle plane 14 millimeter. Okay, so now I have been create 14 millimeter and then I will create on this surface 14 and two hole add this hole and this hole I will equal. Okay, so this hole 15 die accordingly to the drawing. Okay, 15 die accordingly to the drawing. This line and central line is whole center 20 millimeter and this surface to whole center 30 millimeter. Okay, so now I will create one more line and this line to this line I will make parallel. parallel command and parallel command. Okay, and this point 20 millimeter and 30 millimeter from this and center. Millimeter, and you can see here is not, and also I will add command 20 millimeter. Okay, so now I will extrude. Okay, and two hole has been created. Okay, two hole has been created, and now I been now got pending. So radius is pending. So radius you can see here 18 millimeter here. Okay, this line and this line 18 millimeter I will give 18, and inner radius is 12 millimeter. Okay, and this line and this I will add radius command. Okay, so I will all heights plane, and now I will create this line and this line radius. Okay, 6 millimeter, and this and this and this and this. Okay, so now one more hole pending, and click on this and for inner dia, and you can see here 40 millimeter. I will create sketch and through. Okay, so now this hole has been pending, and now has been created. Okay, and this radius 12 millimeter. So now done, completed 3D model accordingly to detail. Okay friends, so guys, if you please subscribe if you come first time on my YouTube channel, so for more and more video for interested. Okay, so now thank you for watching this video.